If you're a gamer in 2026, you've probably heard people arguing about LagoFast versus ExitLag, because, honestly, both tools promise the same thing: lower ping, less lag, and smoother gameplay. But the truth is they work in slightly different ways. So in this video, I'll break down LagoFast versus ExitLag and help you understand which one actually wins in real gaming situations. First, what are these tools? Both LagoFast and ExitLag are not traditional VPNs. Instead, they are gaming route optimizers. They focus only on your game traffic, not your entire internet connection. ExitLag works by using multipath routing, which means your data travels through multiple routes at the same time, and the fastest one is selected automatically. LagoFast also optimizes routing, but adds extra features like FPS boosting and game acceleration tools. Now let's talk about performance. ExitLag is known for stability because it constantly switches and balances routes in real time. This helps reduce ping spikes, packet loss, and random disconnects. And honestly, this is why competitive players often prefer it. Now, LagoFast is more focused on being an all-in-one gaming booster. It not only tries to reduce lag, but also includes FPS optimization, system tuning, and game-specific boosts, so it feels more like a gaming toolkit. Now let's talk about real-world results. Both tools can reduce ping, but only when your problem is ISP routing. For example, if your internet already has good routing, you might not see a huge difference. But if your connection is unstable or poorly routed, both can help a lot. Now, another important difference: game support and features. ExitLag is heavily focused on competitive gaming stability, especially for games like FPS shooters, MMOs, and Battle Royale games. LagoFast expands more into extra features, like easy lobby systems, FPS boosting, and multi-device support. And honestly, this is where opinions start to split. Now let's talk about safety and usage. Neither tool changes your IP like a VPN, and neither should trigger anti-cheat systems when used normally. But always check the rules of your specific game, because competitive titles can have strict policies. Now let's be honest for a second. ExitLag is usually chosen for stability, consistent ping, competitive gaming, while LagoFast is chosen for extra features, FPS tools, and all-in-one optimization. So there is no absolute winner. It depends on what you need. So to wrap this up, LagoFast versus ExitLag in 2026 comes down to this: ExitLag equals more stable routing and competitive consistency. LagoFast equals more features and gaming optimization tools. Because honestly, the best choice is the one that fixes your specific lag problem.